2003, question 1. 3 points P, Q, and R, line a straight line. P, Q, R. Good diagram can always help. The train passes point P with speed u. Okay, so we have u is equal to u. The train is traveling with uniform retardation, so it's slowing down. A is equal to F. The train takes 10 seconds to get from P to Q. T is equal to 10. And 15 seconds from Q to R. T is equal to 15. And we're also told QR and PQ are equal, and they're both equal to 125 meters. 125. So we have two things going on here. We have S1, P to Q, and we have S2, which is P to R. S1 is equal to UT plus a half AT squared plus F over 2 by T squared, which is 100. And it's slowing down, so I'm gonna put F in as a minus. So we're gonna get S1 is equal to 10U minus 50F, and S1 is 125. Then S2, which is 250, times 25, so we're going to get 25U minus F over 2 by T squared. 25 squared is 625. So 25U minus 312.5 F equals 250, the total distance. Okay, so I have 25U, 312.5, and I have 10U 50F, so I can probably multiply. We're trying to show F, so let me get rid of U. So I'll multiply this one by minus 2.5 to get minus 25U. So I'm going to get minus 25U plus the 50F is negative, so 2.5 times 50 is 125 equals, it was plus or minus 2.5 times 125 is 62.5, and 250, 312.5. And we also have 25U minus 312.5 F equals 250. So we're going to get 62.5. They're both negative, so we'll make them both positive, and we are going to get 175,187.5 F. So you can see here F is going to be equal to 362.5 is 187.5. So F is 1 over 3, which is what they wanted. Then the train comes to rest S meters after passing R. So it comes to rest somewhere along here. Find S, give me your answer correct to the nearest meter. Okay, what do we have here? We know it comes to rest, so V is equal to 0. We have U. We haven't solved for U, but we can solve for U. Let's solve for U now. We have A is equal to minus a third. That will enable us to find S. So we just need to solve for U here. We have 10U minus 50F is equal to 125. So 10U minus 50 by 1 over 3 is equal to 125. So 10U minus 50 over 3 equals 125. I'll change the 125 into 375 over 3, and then we'd have to add 50 over 3. So 10U is equal to 425 over 3. So we could say then U is equal to 42.5 over 3, which is 85 over 6 meters per second. Bring that up here, 85 over 6. So we have V squared equals U squared plus 2AS. So we have the retardation now. We have 0 is equal to 85 over 6 squared plus 2 by minus a third by S, and if we didn't have the minus a third in there, we would have S to be negative, as you'd see. So S is going to be equal to 85 over 6 squared. Well, 2S we'll have to multiply by 3 and divide by 2, turning that fraction upside down. So S is going to be 301.4 meters. What do they ask? The train comes to rest S meters after passing R. So RS is the total distance. So what have we got here? We have 250 and the total is 301.4. 301, so 51.4 meters extra. And we're asked to the nearest meter down here. So the S that we want is 51 meters.